Got these, or they come, or they...
Oh, block 551, Sierra Delta.
I bought everything.
That was 551 Sierra Delta.
Right, we're about ready to go.
We have information, Quebec. I just updated our flight plan to Alpha Sierra Hotel to a 1900 departure time.
Over like a tower, Skyhawk 8957 Victor, 9 left, ready for departure.
Skyhawk 8957 Victor, stay directional flight.
Eastbound to the coast.
November 57 Victor, flight eastbound runway 9 left, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 9 left, eastbound to the coast, 57 Victor. Alright, we're clear for takeoff.
Okay, let's go.
Kind of windy, so we're going to probably shake a little bit. Hopefully we don't, but...
November 32 Tango, squawk VFR and fly northbound, contact North Ferry.
32 Tango, fly northwestbound, stay outside of Perry's airspace, all safe for you.
Oh my God.
Fly northwest on the house, fly North Ferry up airspace.
Okay, Corey. I'm sorry. I'm just a little bit nervous. My stomach is dropping.
We can change up for 3-2 Tango.
Oh!
Good afternoon, 6504.
Corey, sure you got this right? Oh my God, right?
6504, block
Yeah, open your eyes.
afternoon. Enter a left downwind for runway 9 left.
Downwind on 6524.
Oh my God!
Oh, wait a second.
I'm going to try to contact my departure.
Remember I told you it's going to be a little bumpy for the takeoff. Y'all okay back there?
51
Yeah.
Wait, track with ready, holding short 9 left.
Oh, Corey!
Under 918 Hotel, block the tower, hold short, runway 9 left.
I'm sorry.
Hold short 9 left, 918 Hotel. Over like a tower, this is 54 Echoes going around.
More smooth it's getting now.
Okay.
We're going to go straight to the beach. You can already see the coast, and we're going to make a right turn. See downtown Miami already. You can see downtown Fort. There's a Dolphin Stadium right there.
Cancel, turn left northwest.
That's on those
Corey, you're way too calm.
57 Victor, what's your direction of flight?
Huh?
You're way too calm.
Oh, because I do this.
Corey, swear to me that you got us.
This is what I do.
I'm not even gonna lie, I'm sweating first.
Today's the day, right? Amy?
What?
Today's your day, right?
Yes, it is.
What I forget that?
That's okay.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Happy birthday.
Thank you. I'm a quarter century now.
Your birthday too. You should put out your announcement. Say it's my birthday too. Hit that button. Say it's my birthday too.
It's my birthday too.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Tell him happy birthday for us.
Yeah, she heard you. Thanks.
Miami Seaplane wishes you ladies a happy birthday too.